राज्यांत बायलांक मरणा वेळार मानान तांच्या कुडीचेर निमणे संस्कार करचे असो आदेश राज्य मानव हक आयोगान सोमारा काडला. ह्या बाबतींत बायलांचो साद ह्या बिगर सरकारी संस्थेन आयोगा कडेन तक्रार नोंद केल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
A spectrum of people. We went and met the religious authorities, the Swami, the Panchayat people. We went and met the Director of Social Welfare, Women and Child, all the government authorities who are responsible for upholding the rights of women. And we received a very positive response. Now after that, we filed a complaint with the Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Commission issued notices to Directorate of Municipal Administration, which is Directorate of Urban Development. Crematoriums come under the Directorate of Urban Development, which in bracket they call it Municipal Administration, and the crematoriums in the villages come under the Directorate of Panchayat. So the Human Rights Commission had issued notices to the Director of Urban Development, to the Director of Panchayats and to the Chief Secretary to respond stating what is the status of this issue at ground level. Now the Director of Urban Development, they sent a report, they sent the letter to all the municipal authorities. The municipal councils had their meetings now and various reports were sent. Now some municipal councils said that the complaints have not come to them, but they have created awareness to stop the practice. But Ponda Municipal Council very clearly stated that the women clothes are removed. Not only that, they take photographs and circulate the nude photograph of the women by WhatsApp. Now that technology has gone. So this is a report which the Ponda Council has given.